ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಇವು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳು. ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಯೂ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ನಾನು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಪ್ಪಿತಪ್ಪಿ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 99% ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲಾಫ್ಡ್ ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 41. ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲಾಫ್ಡ್ ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯನ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಅ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಸುಧೀರ್ is a dash MP and his wife is dash homemaker. Okay, Sudhir is an MP and his wife is a homemaker. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 43. ಹೌದಾ, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 43 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಇಸಂಟ್ ಶಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 44 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ರೋಟ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ರೋಟ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 44. ಹೌದಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45 ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45. ಹೌದಾ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 45 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಅ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46. ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 46 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 47. Machines are replacing the workers. The passive form of the above sentence. Okay, the workers are being replaced by machines. Question number 48. There was nothing we could do. It took most of the following winter to ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಟು ದ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 48 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಹೌದಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 49. ಹೌದಾ, ಐ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಜುರಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 49 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಹೌದಾ, ಐ ಗೇವ್ ಅಪ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಜುರಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 50. ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ collocates with joint is. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 50 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 51. ರಾಘು ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರು ಟು ಮೀಟ್ his friends. The appropriate question to get the underlined words as answer is. Question number 51 option C. Why did Raghu go to Mysore? Question number 52. Could you please let me your book? The language function of the above sentences. 52. Question number 52B. Request. The language function. Could you please lend me your book? It's a request. Option B, right answer. Okay. Next, question number 53. The word which has one syllable is. Question number 53. Option C, right answer. True. Okay. Question number 54. In an official letter, respected sir is known as. Option D, salutation. Question number 55. Bridge are built dash the river. Bridges are built dash the river. Question number 55, option A, across. Bridges are built dash the river. The correct preposition to be used, across the river. Option A, right answer. Question number 56. If I had brought my camera, we dash taken some photographs. Okay, the correct word to be used to complete if clause sentence are. If clause sentence are there means which clause we are using there. Question number 56, C. Option C, would have. Would have. I had brought my camera, we would have taken some photographs. I think okay, would have. Next, question number 57. How could a boy fight a tiger? How could a boy fight a tiger? This was said by question number 57C. Question number 57C, Swami. 57C, Swami. Question number 58. Question number 58. When Swami saw something moving towards him. When Swami saw something moving towards him. Option B, right answer. He hugged it and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Like a mortal weapon. 58, option B, right answer. Question number 59C. Dr. Anil Agarwal, seeing the extent of Rama's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. This shows that he cared for life. He cared for life. Option C, right answer. Option C, right answer. Question number 60. Baleshwar took Roma to the hospital with the help of option B, a tempo truck driver. A tempo truck driver. Option B, right answer. Question number 61. Question number 61. Baleshwar shouted, "Let go and help her," but nobody volunteered because. Nobody volunteered because. Question number 61. Question number 61, option A. Option A. They were afraid of getting involved. They are afraid of involved. They were afraid of getting involved. Question number 62. Question number 62. Identify the activity in which the children Rio and Medio were not involved after the American moved into the house. Question number 62, option D. Option D. Pruning the trees. Pruning the trees. Question number 63. The line which suggests that the old man was a farmer is. The line which suggests that the old man was a farmer is. Question number 63, option B, right answer. Option. He tilled the same land his people had tilled. Question number 63, option B. Question number 62, option D. Okay. Question number 64. A piece of land in which fruit trees are grown is known as orchards. Option C, orchards. Question number 65. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was described as a symbol of revolt. Symbol of revolt by question number 65. Question number 65, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was described as a symbol of revolt. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 63. Question number 63. Mukhaniyat Biskrit Bharat and Samat were. Okay, I think I'm making a mistake in pronunciation. Mukhanayat Bisikrit Bharat and Somat were. Question number 66B. Newspapers. Okay, Mukhaniyat Bahiskrit Bharat. Mukhaniyat Bahiskrit Bharat. Newspapers. Option B, right answer. Question number 67. The doctors at the cancer hospital said, "Take him home, give him things he likes, indulge him." This means that. Question number 67, option A. The boy had not many days to live. The boy had not many days to live. Question number 68. Anant astonished his guru because. Anant astonished his guru because. Question number 68. Option B. Option B. He was already able to compose his own tunes. Question number 69. Sketching came naturally to Satish as he had always been good at. Question number 69. Option C. Calligraphy. Calligraphy. Okay. Question number 70. Question number 70. Satish didn't want to go to a new school because. Question number 70. Because everyone would make fun of his deafness. Everyone would make fun of his deafness. Option B, right answer. Question number 71. My dad knew his duties. His duties was. Question number 71. C. To build a tree's house. To build a tree's house. Question number 72. Grandma learned to climb a trees from her. Grandma learned to climb a trees for her. Question number 72. Question number 72. Option D. Option D. Brother. Grandma learned to climb trees from her brother. Question number 73. In the poem Quality of Mercy. In the poem Quality of Mercy. Mercy is compared to. Mercy is compared to. Mercy is compared to. Question number 73. Mercy is compared to gentle rain from heaven. Gentle rain from heaven. Question number 74. Question number 74. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. Here it refers to. Here it refers to. Question number 74. C. Mercy. It refers to mercy. Shall I sing? Question number 75. B. Shall I sing? Of your rock cut temples, epics in stone. The above lines depict that India is rich in art and architecture. Art and architecture. Question number 75. B. Question number 76. In the poem The Song of India, the poet wants to sing about. In the poem The Song of India, the poet wants to sing about. Question number 76. Option A. Option A. The Himalayas and the three seas. The Himalayas and three seas. Okay. Question number 77. Question number 77. His rundown shows have paper in them. This line suggests that the jazz player was. The jazz player was. Question number 77. Option A. Option A. Puva. Okay. Question number 78. You talk of. Select the appropriate option to complete the line from the poem The Blind Boys. Question number 78. Question number 78. B. Wondrous things you see. Wondrous things you see. Question number 79. Patil, the sub-inspector, wanted to help Mohan's family because he was. Option B. A friend of Mohan's father. A friend of Mohan's father. Question number 80. Hema Aziz gave her children the message that. Hema Aziz gave her children the message that. Question number 80C. Question number 80C. One's duty is the most important thing in life. One's duty is the most important thing in life. Option C is the right answer. These are the second language English ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೋದ್ರು ಚೇಂಜು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯುನಾ. ಸರಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.